Okay, let's take a look at number 16, last question on the practice test on page 103. Consider the roof of a mosque at the Canadian Islamic Centre in Edmonton, Alberta. The diameter of the base of the roof is approximately 10 meters. 10 meters. And the vertical distance from the center of the roof of, to the base is approximately 5 meters. Okay, determine a function of the form y equals a root b by x minus h plus k, where y represents the distance from the base up to the roof and x represents the horizontal distance from the center. Okay, so let's just consider the right half of the roof. So here's the right half. The diameter is 10 meters, so this will also be 5 meters. 5 meters. Okay, so the end point is 5, 0, which should be right here. So h equals 5, k equals 0. Now, the function is reflected in the y-axis. So b is equal to -1. So to find the value of a, we substitute the coordinates 0, 5, into y equals a root negative x minus 5. Okay, so what we have is we have 5 equals a root negative 0 minus 5. 5 equals a root 5. We'd have 5a equals 25. If we squared both sides for a squared, we have a will then be equal to root 5. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so the function where y represents the distance from the base of the roof and x represents the horizontal distance is, the function is y equals root 5 root negative x minus 5. So that is all for A. Okay, for B, what are the domain and range of the function? How do they relate in the situation? Okay, so we know the domain can't be negative or greater than the radius of the base which is 5. So the domain is x such that x is between 0 and 5. For the range can't be a negative height or greater than the height of the roof. So y such that y is between 0 and 5. Use the function you wrote in part A to determine the determine graphically the height of the roof at point 2 meters horizontally from the center of the roof. Well, all you have to do is graph it and set x equal to 0 and find the point of intersection, or just not in point of it'll show you what the y value is when x is set to be 0, and it will be 4.58 meters. Whoops, 4.58.